some guests right next to me. So, hi, my name is Jonathan. I'm Azim's best friend.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth. I'm Aziza.
And today we're going to be making burgers. So we have most of the stuff, but we just need some stuff. So we're going to go to Aldi and get the stuff that we need so we can come back and do the work and then eat lunch. So,
Let's go.
let's go. Now we're in Aldi and we're about to go get the stuff that we need so we can go home and officially make the burger and the fries so we can finally have lunch. We don't have breakfast, just remember that. So now we're gonna get the stuff, go back home and get all the stuff that we need outside or inside, then start the pan and do everything else. Yep.
Let's go.
So we got everything and we realized that we already had tomatoes at home. We could not find Chick-fil-A sauce at Aldi, and they had meat, but we were just gonna get at Costco because Costco's a couple minutes away from here. So we're just gonna go to Costco and see if they have Chick-fil-A sauce and meat for us. So let's go. So we got the meat, but they just didn't have Chick-fil-A sauce. So we're just gonna go home and let's just use ketchup. Yeah, why not? So we're back from Aldi and we got all the stuff that we need. There are pickles in front, like over there. So we're gonna get that. So first, you get this. I'm gonna get this. I will get the meat. First, let's open this thing. So we're back from Aldi and we got all the stuff. Now let's go start making food.
Okay, very good.
Ready? How? Make sure you guys cut it a little bit more smaller so it can cook in the air fryer. The girls cut it and peeled it off, and now it's time to air fry it. Now it's gonna take 20 minutes for all the fries to cook in there, and they will get crispy and crunchy and tasty. And then we will make the burger. The fries will be cold. They're still fries. They're gonna be ready. Then once we're done everything, we're gonna taste test, finish it off. And literally one bite. It's your tail. I can't open.
Now she says.
What? Thing is literally glued or something. Okay, so we put everything, all the fries in the air fryer, and meanwhile that's cooking, we're gonna be making the burger. So let me just show you what's inside. So first, you will need sauces, any kind of sauce, and then you will need cheese. You will need burger buns, some lettuce and tomatoes, onions, pickles, all the stuff that you want. And then you need the burger.
Meat.
The meat.
Okay, let's go.
You do like this.
Yep, like that.
Use the pan. You can see the burgers are almost ready. And then you can start making the actual burger. So then you can eat, then you can be full, then you can go outside and do whatever you want. Alright, so Aziza, you're in the job of making these toasted. So you go do that. And then Jonathan, you help me make the burger. Alright? Alright, good. Alright. I'm getting fast first. Alright, it's time to cook the burger. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. That's gonna be the crispy. Done.
You wanna check Azim? See if it's done?
Oh. stuck there, man.
Flip.
Oh, yeah, that thing's done.
Let's flip it. No, that's not done.
What? I can't see. This thing is done. You.
Oh.
You're bad. You're bad.
The cheese. The cheese. The cheese, man, the cheese. Don't mind them.
What are you doing, Amira?
I'm toasting the bread. I'm sure it's all toasted.
Okay.
Our bun is ready and our meat is ready too, so we're gonna put the stuff together.
Open ko na, mi siya kanta.
Our fries are ready now.
I can't wait to put the burgers together so we can finally eat them with the french fries sauce. Alright, that's for Jonathan. On the side.
So, how's everybody doing?
Good. On that side.
Looks like everybody really crashing the burger, huh?
It's very, really good.
Azim, how's good?
Very.
Very good. Jonathan is done.
Not really.
He's really finished. Full. He said he can't finish it. Aziza. Good. Amira. Good. How was it?
Very good.
Very good.
Hmm?